kapatid, for 333 years, the Spaniards have chained us to poverty. Fear and shame, they take our land, our money, and our lives, all in the name of their king.
Every cedula we carry as a mark of slavery. It tells the world we are not free men, we are property.
We have tried peace, we have begged for reforms, but what we did get? Resiled, exiled, Gombursa hanged, our voices silenced with bullets.
We will not be silenced anymore, we will fight.
Tonight, we will make a choice. Will we continue to bow our heads, or we will tear this chain from our necks and claim our freedom? Kalayaan o kamatayan?
Kalayaan o kamatayan!
Then let it be done!
This is not just a paper we tear, it is the power of Spain over us.
May this act be the spark that lights a fire across the Philippines.
Tomorrow, we will march, we will face the Guardia Civil, and we will show them that the Filipinos are not afraid to die for their land.
We are few and there are many, but we have something they do not, our love for our country. Remember this night, mga kapatid, for when our children ask how freedom was won, we will tell them and started here in Pugad Lawin with a cry that shook the world.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay